The Larson Electronics trailer-mounted fold-over 3-stage light mast provides a safe and effective way for operators to quickly deploy lights, security cameras, and other equipment to elevations up to 20 feet. Equipped with a square mounting platform at the top of the mast, this light tower folds over for easy transportation. Features a rotating boom that allows for 360 degrees of rotation and a removable masthead for storing mounted equipment when not in use. The light mast can be extended to 20 feet for maximum area coverage and collapsed to 10 feet for applications where a smaller footprint is required. This trailer is equipped with a flat plug for the tail lights. The tower is constructed of square steel tubing and powder coated with a glossy finish for corrosion resistances and aesthetics. This tower can be used for temporary lighting, construction sites, and security camera deployment. Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.